see my Father in that land beyond the sky. There'll be no sickness, there'll be no crying, in that place where we'll never die. I'll see my brothers, I'll see my sisters, I'll meet the one who set me free, who bought my ticket with his own blood when they nailed him to a tree. Won't you come with me to meet my Father in that land beyond the sky? He'll place his loving arms around us, wipe the tears from our weeping eyes. I'm on a journey to see my Father in that land beyond the sky, beyond the sky, beyond the sky, in that land beyond the sky.